Why poor sleep is risking your health, and how to fix it naturally. Did you know that chronic sleep deprivation can lead to serious health risk, from heart disease to depression? Poor sleep isn't just about feeling groggy, it's about your long-term health and well-being. I'm Devon of Duvets, and today we will explore the risk of poor sleep, the long-term benefits of prioritizing rest, and practical steps you can take to improve your sleep quality. Sleep is often overlooked in today's fast-paced world. We quickly cut corners on rest to meet deadlines, socialize or scroll through our social media late into the night. But science shows that sleep is as critical to our health as diet and exercise. The question is, are we giving it the attention it truly deserves? In this podcast, we will highlight the risk of poor sleep, the importance of maintaining the right sleep environment, and how natural bedding, such as our handcrafted wool duvets, can make a difference. So, what are the health risks of poor sleep? Sleep deprivation isn't just about feeling tired. Study shows it's linked to severe health problems, like an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. Research from the European Heart Journal found that individuals sleeping less than 6 hours a night are at a higher risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Sleep helps regulate blood pressure and inflammation, crucial for your heart health. Also, cognitive decline and mental health. Poor sleep affects memory, decision-making and focus. According to a study by the Journal of Psychiatric Research, chronic sleep deprivation increases the risk of depression and anxiety. It also creates a weakened immune system. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. Without adequate rest, your immune system weakens, leaving you more vulnerable to illnesses like colds and flu. It may also cause weight gain and diabetes. In a study in The Lancet revealed that insufficient sleep disrupts hormone balance, increasing cravings for unhealthy foods and reducing insulin sensitivity, raising the risk of diabetes. Besides this all, it can also cause long-term cognitive decline, because sleep is essential for your brain health. Studies from the Alzheimer's Association suggest a link between chronic sleep deprivation and increased risk of dementia. So, what are the benefits of better sleep? It's clear that prioritizing sleep improves overall health. It boosts mental clarity, so a better focus and memory. It improves emotional well-being, reducing the risk of mood disorders. It strengthens immunity, fewer sick days, and it supports your heart health, lower blood pressure, and healthier circulation. There are some simple ways to improve your sleep. Here are some simple yet effective tips. First of all, establish a sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on the weekends. This regulates your internal clock. If you would like to know more about melatonin and how it affects your sleep cycle, check out my podcast on this topic. The second is create a relaxing bedtime ritual. Avoid screen time at least an hour before bed. Opt for calming activities like reading and meditation. The third one is to optimize your sleep environment. A cool, quiet and dark room is ideal. The right bedding plays a critical role too. Wool bedding, like the duvets we handcraft at Devon Duvets, naturally regulates body temperature, unlike synthetic bedding, which can trap heat and leave you feeling clammy. Wool keeps you comfortable by wicking away moisture and maintaining a stable temperature throughout the night. To look into this a bit more, watch my podcast, Why Wool Matters. Also important is to avoid stimulants, so limit caffeine and alcohol intake, especially in the evening. And if you can, get active during the day. Regularly exercising promotes better sleep, but avoid intensive workouts close to bedtime. And the last one is to focus on sleep posture. A supportive pillow, like our folding pillow, can help reduce discomfort and promote spinal alignment, aiding in better sleep quality. To learn more about this, look at my podcast, Snoring, and how proper posture can help. So, what is the scientific insight into your sleep environment? Study shows that maintaining the right temperature is crucial for restorative sleep. The National Sleep Foundation recommends a room temperature of 16 to 18 degrees. However, the materials you sleep under matters just as much. Synthetic duvets often trap heat and moisture, disrupting your sleep cycle. Wool, on the other hand, is a natural insulator that adapts to your body's needs, ensuring you stay comfortable all night. At Devon Duvets, we craft our wool duvets with care, offering unmatched comfort and temperature regulation. So, what is the conclusion of all this? Poor sleep isn't just a nightly inconvenience, it's a risk to your long-term health. By understanding the consequences of sleep deprivation and taking simple steps to improve your sleep environment, you can transform your rest and ultimately your life. Natural solutions such as a wool bedding can make a significant difference. So if you're ready to invest in better sleep, why not start by rethinking your sleep environment? At Devon Duvets, we are here to help you make that change. I'm Devon of Devon Duvets. Thank you for listening, and remember, better sleep leads to a better life. If you would like to know more how our handcrafted wool duvets can support your sleep, visit devonduvets.com. If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified of future episodes in our sleep and well-being series. Thank you for listening.